Our journey of sustainability starts with our growers. It is strengthened by a shared passion for conserving our land and a shared commitment of working together to progress sustainable growing and milling practices.
I think one of the main focuses we have on our farm and one of the main goals we should have on our farm is leaving the land in better condition than when we received it.
Many of our grower families have been caretakers of the land for over 100 years. It is more than a job. It is their passion and livelihood. The process of planting and harvesting wheat is continually being evaluated and improved by our growers to reduce environmental impacts, increase efficiency, and deliver consistent quality.
My business partners are also my family members, my dad and my brother, and we think about the trajectory of our natural resources, and we want the trajectory of those moving in a direction of restoration and not degradation.
Our sustainable agriculture program is focused on 3 areas of environmental optimization that our growers are evaluating and prioritizing. These include soil health, water use, and energy use.
Continually spend time in our fields walking, observing soils, particularly how many earthworms are present, how well our soils are taking in water, infiltrating water, monitoring erosion levels. So observation is a really important part of learning and that continual process of improvement of doing better and better at stewardship and restoration of our natural resources across time.
Wheat is inherently a water-efficient crop. In many wheat-growing regions with soil management practices in place, growers can minimize evaporation and sustain ideal moisture levels without the need for irrigation.
A healthier soil is likely going to make the wheat go through less drought stress, less nutrient stresses as well, because that organic matter can provide more water and nutrients to the wheat.
Many growers have invested in practices and technologies over the past 20 or more years to achieve both energy efficiency and energy conservation on their farms. Both focuses are critical to sustainable agriculture, and both contribute to reduction of fossil fuels.
Auto steer is probably the largest thing that we've seen in how it changes how we operate. That part of the operation has allowed us to be able to pay attention to the operations we make in our field instead of just trying to keep the implement straight.
Throughout our industry, from wheat to consumer-baked goods, we are all working together with a common goal: to progress and to ensure the practices we are using today are bettering our land, bettering our natural resources, and bettering our products for generations to come.
We're here to preserve the soil, preserve the land for future generations, and that's what we do on a daily basis.
The journey starts upstream, and that is why we are working behind the scenes and collaborating with wheat breeders, growers, and universities that support sustainable agriculture and the longevity of quality wheat. Sustainability is driven by a focus on the future, and to us, there is no finish line. Graincraft, growing our future.